Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. £8,395, 98,000 miles, 7 services, £35 a year road tax, CAMBELT and water pump replaced at 93,000, now done 98,000. Volvo XC60 2-litre D4 SE, nav, Euro 6, ULEZ compliant, stop, £35 a year road tax, 8,395. Panoramic glass sunroof, leather trim, heated seats, satellite navigation, front and rear park sensors, value. Daytime LED running lights built into the front bumper, so 2-litre manual diesel. Stop, ULEZ compliant, got the two-tone diamond cut alloys, glass panoramic tilt slide sunroof with electronic sunshade, got privacy glass, remember front and rear park sensors, which are an optional extra, load covers in the boot, super clean, got 7 services, 8, 17, 27, 36, 54, 60 and 93,000 miles. Nice condition, not tatty, not scuffed, not stone chipped. Got the pan roof tilted, but it slides as well. Now, Bliss blind spot monitoring, another optional extra. Well spec car this. So full leather, fitted Volvo mats, multifunction steering wheel, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, blind spot monitoring, heated seats, tyre pressure monitoring. Very nice. Drives lovely. Clean in the back. Fitted mats in there too. Big pan roof. Very nice. Power tailgate. ULEZ compliant, 8,395. £8,395. Great car for that. Manual, diesel, nice big clean boot. Press the button. There she goes. That's a lot of car. Yeah, not scuffed or chipped into tiny little marks, but you know, it's done 98,000 miles. It's really good for the mileage. Electric mirrors, folding mirrors, electric windows, fitted mats, leather on the driver's seat, good condition, panoramic roof, optional extra, blind spot monitoring, optional extra, auto lights, power boot lid, leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control in lovely condition, satellite navigation, heated seats, tyre pressure monitoring, privacy glass, front and rear park sensors, CAMBELT replaced and water pump at 93,000 miles, now done 98,000 miles, MOT to the first of, will come with a year's MOT, because it's only MOT till July. We may have already done it. I think we've done it actually. Please visit, I think it's got a year's MOT now. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over to YouTube and find our channel, you'll watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,500 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you'll be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would then be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that vehicle in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.